Let's learn to make simple sentences in German, which isn't really difficult if you know your conjugation. This is what a really simple, basic German sentence looks like. Ich trinke ein Glas Wasser. Ich trinke ein Glas Wasser. First comes the subject, then the verb in the second position, followed by an object. Now this object is what we'll look into later. For now, just remember that the verb comes in the second position. Let's do a little activity now, shall we? Bringen Sie die Sätze in die richtige Reihenfolge. This means to bring the sentences in the correct order. All you have to do is to rearrange the sentences and then conjugate the verb according to the subject. I'll show you the first one. So what we see here is a verb, besuchen, the subject, ich, and an object, meine Großeltern. First, rearrange the words in the correct order. Subject, which is ich, then comes the verb, besuchen, and then the object, meine Großeltern. Finally, we conjugate the verb according to the subject. Ich besuche meine Großeltern. That's it. Can you rearrange this sentence in the right order? Richtig. Die Antwort ist, schreibt ein Lied. The next one is, richtig. Braucht Hilfe. Here is the next question. Sehr gut. Die Kinder machen die Hausaufgabe.